We have S off. We have accomplished root. We shall thrive. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to settings. You're going to want to scroll down to where it says power. You want to make sure that fast boot is unchecked. Then we're going to go back. We're going to go to developer options. And we're going to make sure that USB debugging is checked on. And then we can plug in our device and go to our computer. Now what you're going to want to do is head on over to the link in the description on your computer, and it'll take you to this S-Off Revone Developer Early Access Preview Edition. Now this is a developer early preview, so it may not work. It may break your device. You never know. So we're going to scroll down to where it says download Revone 0.2. See, I've already downloaded it. Now it's 0.21. We're going to rename it, make it easier. Close that out. We're going to scroll back up to the beginning, and it says we're going to download Revone from above. If you download it from this link, it'll be the same one as below, but just figured it was easier. And we're going to push it to our device with ADB. So we're going to go ahead and open up a command prompt, and I put the file in my HTC One folder, as you see right here, in my documents. So we're going to go. Alright, now once you're in the folder, we're going to go ahead and ADB push this. So ADB push Revone space dash data slash local slash TMP slash and hit enter. Alright, and once you ADB push that, we're going to go ahead and go back, and it says open up an ADB shell. So we're going to do ADB shell, hit enter, and it says CD data local TMP. Now you can either type this out or you can just copy and paste it. So just do Control C, go back to the command prompt, and we're going to paste that. Hit enter. We're going to go back over here and we're going to chmod. This brings me back to my incredible 2 days. Copy that, and then we're going to go ahead and paste. Alright, and once that is done, it says optional. If you're unlocked and rooted, we need to, so we can go ahead and do SU because we are rooted. So I granted that on my phone. So you see now we are using root. And then we're going to go ahead and prepare for S-Off by copying this, Control C, go back to the command prompt, and we're going to go ahead and paste this. And it says successful, please reboot to continue. Let me go back over here. If Rev wants to report success, reboot the device and proceed to step 5. So we're going to go ahead and restart the device. Alright, now our device is turned back on, so what we're going to want to go ahead and do is open up another ADB shell. Go ahead and hit enter. And then we're going to go ahead and change it back to the data local temp. So we're going to go ahead and copy this. Hit enter. And then it says to get S off, we're going to just go ahead and copy this to make it easier. Copy. Going to go ahead and paste. Hit enter. Cross our fingers. Gaining root access thanks to. Alright, it says gaining root access. Rev1 successful. Oh, we're successful. The accomplishments. We're going to go ahead and hit exit out of this. We're going to do ADB reboot bootloader and cross our fingers. Our device should say S off. If it doesn't, well, we just have to do this again. We have S off. We have accomplished root. We shall thrive. Now that your device is S off, you can get rid of the tampered by go ahead and it says right here, other optional command arguments. Unlock the device. Now I'm not sure if that means bootloader unlocked or unlock the SIM card, but I am SIM unlocked and I'm also bootloader unlocked, so I'm going to skip that. You can lock the device as if it would never unlock, relock, and reset the device's tampered flag. So I'm assuming you go back up here and you just change that dash. So what we're going to do is ADB shell. Alright, so we're going to fast boot, reboot. Alright, and once our device is booted up, we're going to do ADB shell. we're going to cd/data/local/tmp/ and we're going to attempt to do this reset the device's tamper flag. So I'm not completely understanding this, but I think we just do rev1-t. I'm going to try to do the ./rev1-t. And it says rev1 gaining root access thanks to, it says rev1 was successful. So we're going to go ahead and exit and ADB. Alright, now that you see our tampered flag is gone. So we are S off, we don't have that tampered at the top, and basically we completely own our device now. So if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, it helps me out a lot. And if you guys want to see anything else on the HTC One with S off, be sure to leave a comment below and I will try to get to it as soon as possible. I will be having a video on how to get S on. It will be on my second channel, so link below to that. And I'll see you guys in the next video.